Hello, welcome to Lesson 7 of our academic writing course. In today's lesson, we will dive into the methodology sections of your academic paper. The methodology is a critical component as it outlines the processes, techniques, and approaches you use to conduct your research. The significance of methodology. Why is the methodology section is so important? It serves several key purposes. Number one, transparency. It allows other researchers to replicate your study, which is essential for the validation of your findings. Number two, credibility. A well-described methodology announces the credibility of your research. It shows that you have used rigorous, well-thought-out methods. Number three, alignment with objectives. The methodology should align with your research objectives and questions. It demonstrates how you have chosen the most appropriate methods to address your research goals. Key elements of the methodology. Now, let's explore the key elements that should be included in your methodology section. Number one, research design. Describe the overall design of your study. Is it qualitative, quantitative, mixed methods, experimental, or observational? Justify your choice. Number two, data collection. Explain how you collected data. This includes the tools, instruments, or service you used. Discuss their reliability and validity. Number three, participants or sample. Detail the characteristics of your study's participants or sample. This might include the demographic information, selection criteria, and the size of the sample. Number four, data analysis. Clarify the techniques you use to analyze the data. For quantitative research, this could involve the statistical methods. For qualitative research, describe the coding and analysis process. Number five, ethical considerations. Address any ethical concerns. Explain how you obtain informed consent from participants and how you protected their privacy. Writing the methodology. Here's a structured approach to writing your methodology. Start with a brief overview. Begin with a conscious introduction to the methodology section, outlining its purpose and the research design you have chosen. Number two, explain data collection. Detail the methods and tools you use to gather data. Discuss any pilot testing or calibration procedures. Number three, participant information. Provide information about your participants or sample, including how they were recruited or selected. Number four, data analysis. Describe the analysis methods, whether they involve statistical software, qualitative coding, or other techniques. Number five, ethical considerations. Explain how you addressed ethical concerns and received necessary approvals or consent. Examples of methodology. Here's an example of how you might start the methodologies section of a research paper on the impact of technology on education. In this study, we employed a mixed method research designed to investigate the impact of technology integration in primary education. The research involved both quantitative surveys and qualitative interviews. We collected data from a strategic sample of 300 elementary school teachers from various regions. Survey data were analyzed using descriptive statistics, and interviews were transcribed and analyzed thematically. Ethical considerations were taken into account, with participants providing informed consent, and the study received approval from the Institutional Ethics Review Board. In conclusion, the methodology section of your academic paper is where you describe the research methods. It's essential to ensure transparency, credibility, and alignment with your research objectives. Be detailed but conscious, and make sure that your methods are well justified. In our next lesson, we will explore the results and discussion sections of an academic paper. See you next time.